Okay guys, this is NTI day 4, meaning this should be assigned to you on Monday. So just like last week, there's a Google Doc with blank spaces for you to fill in the notes, and that's how you're going to be graded for that. You're going to be graded for completing the notes as we go through them. Today you're not expected to do anything on your own except exercises 1 and 2, but you still need to copy these notes and put these on the Google Doc in Classroom for you to get credit. So we're starting Module 5, and this is all about circles. So let's just go back, and I'm going to redefine a couple things with regards to circles. So we all know what circles are. You know, if you see a circle and ask you what shape is that, everyone's going to say, well, that's a circle. Let's give a more formal definition, though. So the definition of a circle is a circle with center C and radius R, like what we see here. We have a center C and a radius R, is the set of all points that are R distance away from the center C. Meaning, so this is a circle. Every point on this line, or I guess every point on the edge of this circle, is going to be R distance away from center C, because every point here is technically a radius of the circle. Okay? Radius is the distance from the center of a circle to one of its edges. You can see that right here. The radius goes halfway across the circle, not the entire way, just a halfway. The diameter passes through center of circle and connects both ends of the circle. So, long story short, your radius, you start from the center and you go to the edge. Your diameter, it has to pass through the center right here, but you're going from edge to edge. So that means that your radius is going to be half of your diameter, or your diameter is going to be twice what your radius is. So, for example, if your radius is 4, your diameter is going to be 4 there and 4 there, so 4 plus 4 is going to be 8, meaning your diameter is twice what your radius is. If your radius was 3, your diameter would be 6. If your radius was 10, your diameter would be 20, so on and so forth. A chord, let me see, given a circle C and let P and Q be points on that circle C. The line segment PQ is a chord. So we have this circle with the center C right here. We can call that point P. We can call this point Q. So just any line going from end to end of a circle is going to be a chord. It does not have to pass through the center. So this is an example of a chord. It's just a line that goes end to end on some point of a circle. You could have a chord right here as well. That would be a chord. Okay, and lastly, central angle of a circle is an angle whose vertex is the center of a circle. So just like this right here, we have this angle. It forms, the vertex is at the very center of the circle, so angle Y right here would be a central angle. Same thing here with this diameter example. We have, this is a straight line, so it's a 180-degree angle, but this angle X is also a central angle because the vertex is right in the center. Central angle, it's easy to remember. The vertex is in the center of the circle.